Another day, another mishap.
मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ, कोई तो वीडियो बना रहा है पीछे से। हाँ, अनुराग सालगावकर। अनुराग 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 I never mind. I'd rather not tell him the name, but kind of a reason why I wouldn't tell him my name. नहीं होने वाला है भाई फायदा कोई पता के, so might as well not. I'm very quick to judge, but I'm very accurate with my judgment.
हरामी हो बेटा।
He had to take off his helmet to talk to me, dude. Like, he couldn't open his visor. You can't open your visor on when you have that furry thing on your helmet. I don't know, I haven't really looked into it as much.
Because I can't relate to the product, I'm out.
But good for him, at least he's wearing a helmet. That makes him better than 90% of the chapris on the road.
100% real juice mafic chapri.
Also, by the way, no hate to him, that guy. He was being respectful, he properly asked me, and there was absolutely nothing wrong with what he was doing. He was riding sanely. He was a little faster than he should have been, but we all of us are. And the Hunter looks beautiful, dude. I mean, if I did not have a crush on this bike, and I did not have a bike at the time, I would have gotten a Hunter for sure. It's beautiful looking. But yeah, I also accept gifts, so, and my birthday is on 2nd of July, so you can just put 2 and 2 together.
कोई तरीका है भीख मांगने का?
Another day, another mishap. Well, poor guy was just trying to cut through something, I guess. It's quite unfortunate, dude. I guess you should be putting a stone at the front, dude. Only then you will be able to get off of it. Okay, I need to shut my visor, goddammit. Damn, the Hunter, dude. I mean, I'm simping over it, dude. And I can notice, I can spot it from miles away. It's such a distinct looking silhouette.
देख 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 कैसा खुश हो रहा है।
Hey, we strong.
किसी एक का तो हो रहा।
That's a very nicely maintained chain, dude. अरे यार, सब जगह जहर उगल के मूड खराब कर देना है यार. But that chain though looks very clean and nice. I'm impressed. He is making way. He is making way.
Oh no, ma'am, I'm so sorry.
And there you go.
So down to earth person.
He deserves a thumbs up for that. हो काय माहिती फिरवत बसलंय हे बघायला पाहिजे इकडे बघतो मॅप वरती कुठे आहे नक्की ते हाय मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कोई तो वीडियो बना रहा है पीछे से थैंक यू क्या करते हो आप
हम लोग तो एक्चुअली पास आउट हो गए थे।
अच्छा, लवली, नाइस। नाम क्या है? मैं आदित्य। अथर्व, नाइस टू मीट यू।
बाइक रिकॉग्नाइज की मेन तो।
राइट काफ़ी यूनिक है ना, इसलिए इजीली रिकॉग्नाइज हो जाते हैं। चलो, नाइस टू मीट यू, बाय। बघूया सरळ पुढे जाऊन. हे मॅप बघून बघून मी पण हरवलं आणि ते पाठून येत होते त्यांना पण हरवलं.
ये कहाँ फंस गया भाई मैं?
ते आपले माझ्या पाठी पाठी येत आहेत. काय माहित, ते ओळखले ना मला, त्यामुळे ते पाठून पाठून येत होते. If you guys are watching this video, I'm sorry dude. हो तिकडेच चाललोय. I did not mean to lose you like this. I didn't know this little maneuver was going to cost us 7 years.
मैं आपसे कुछ मांग सकता हूँ सचमुच में? अब मैं मांगूंगा और आप मानेंगे नहीं तो मानेंगे, लेकिन अगर करेंगे नहीं तो.
What is that? What? When did that happen? There's a full-blown, what do you say, carnival happening over here. It's been centuries since I've sat in a giant wheel, and I'm very scared of such things, man. That's why I never go to these theme parks, these Imagica, SL World and all of these, because I've seen a lot of videos of them failing and people dying of it. So and I've got a wild imagination, so I can properly picture myself breaking into pieces in such rides. So I've never managed to collect the courage to get in those rides. I'd rather ride at 200 kilometers per hour on a bike rather than sitting in a giant wheel or a roller coaster like that. It's super scary, man, for me. And it's not the motion, it's not the adventure part of it. It's just the paranoia of it breaking apart. It's too scary.
रिस्क है.
And the worst part is there's no gear also to protect you. I mean, sure, there are braces, but they hardly do shit, man. I've seen one what is that thing called? So that one ride, people were just sitting there nicely as if they're sitting on a bench in a park, dude. And then one guy just flew off.
LIC.
He just flew off and almost fell on the other side of the boat. It's super scary to watch, dude. Let alone be in a ride like that. I did not wait for you, buddy. I'm one of those crazy ones that is dumb enough to stand at a signal like this. What? Why are the streets so empty, dude? It's a weekend, so but there should be people going home, right? Or just people have just left the city altogether. I don't know. I've got enough seconds. I'll just take it easy. Well. Man, I wish every day had such kind of a traffic too. But I don't want to go super fast. I just want to maintain this speed. So peaceful, it's so serene, it's beautiful, the feeling. Damn, bro. This is the ancient Discovery. Oh man, come on, dude. On the phone. Shit. You ruined it.
सारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
100% real juice माफिक छपरी.
Man, I often underestimate the smoothness of this bike after I lube the chain. Like every once in a while I miss lubing the chain. I usually make it a point that I lube it every 2 weeks. And this is because I've been using a durable enough chain lube. I can't pronounce the name probably. It's Putolin or Plutoline or something like that. But it's beautiful. But having said that, whenever I lube the chain and I lube it well, it genuinely makes a lot of difference. And I immediately feel so good about lubing it. And I realize how much I underestimate lubing your chain. Guys, please lube your chain every once in a while. It makes a world of a difference. Right now the bike is butter smooth. All the upshifts, downshifts, even the way it is riding right now, even the deceleration, it's very smooth. This is besides the fact that I absolutely adore this bike and I love it to death. The way it rides, the way it picks up, the way it shifts, it's just beautiful, man. It's like a dream literally come true. And I'm stuck. Jaggy? There you go.
Bonus.
अच्छा रहता है सेहत के लिए।
हीरोगिरी ये पीने में नहीं है, ये देने में।
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakarai.